Natural disasters are far more than mere catastrophic events. They represent powerful agents of change, capable of reshaping civilizations and altering the course of history itself. These immense forces influence the very fabric of human society, often in profound and unexpected ways. Throughout history, humanity has faced the raw power of nature. These encounters have not only tested our resilience but have also driven innovation, migration, and even philosophical shifts. This video explores 10 such pivotal events, each leaving an indelible mark on our world. In 79 AD, the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius buried the thriving Roman city of Pompeii under layers of ash and pumice. This tragic event, while devastating, inadvertently preserved a unique snapshot of Roman life. The city remained frozen in time for nearly 2 millennia. The preserved ruins and artifacts have provided invaluable insights into Roman culture, architecture, and daily routines. From frescoes to household items, Pompeii offers an unparalleled window into an ancient civilization. It stands as a testament to both nature's destructive power and its accidental preservation. The Black Death, a devastating pandemic in the 14th century, was primarily caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis, spread by fleas on rats. This natural biological disaster led to a massive population decline across Europe, wiping out an estimated 1/3 to 1/2 of the continent's inhabitants. The sheer scale of death had immediate and profound societal effects. The widespread labor shortages that followed dramatically altered economic structures. With fewer workers, the value of labor increased, leading to a significant rise in wages for the surviving populace. This shift contributed directly to the decline of feudalism, empowering peasants and weakening the traditional aristocratic hierarchy. On November 1, 1755, a massive earthquake struck Lisbon, Portugal, followed by tsunamis and fires. This disaster virtually destroyed one of Europe's major cities, a bustling port and colonial power. The scale of destruction was unprecedented for its time. The Lisbon earthquake sparked intense philosophical debates across Europe about the nature of God, evil, and the world. Thinkers like Voltaire and Rousseau grappled with its implications, influencing the Enlightenment movement. It also spurred early advancements in seismology, prompting scientific inquiry into the causes of such phenomena. The 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia was one of the most powerful volcanic events in recorded history. Its colossal ash cloud injected vast amounts of aerosols into the stratosphere, causing global climate disruption. This led to what became known as the Year Without a Summer in 1816. Temperatures plummeted worldwide, resulting in widespread crop failures and severe food shortages across Europe and North America. This environmental catastrophe contributed to significant social unrest, famine, and disease. It also prompted the development of new agricultural techniques and technologies as societies sought to adapt to unpredictable weather patterns. The 1883 eruption of Krakatoa, an Indonesian volcano, was another monumental event. Its explosive force generated tsunamis that killed tens of thousands and produced atmospheric effects felt globally for years. The sound of the eruption was heard thousands of miles away. This spectacular event spurred significant scientific advancements in understanding volcanic activity and atmospheric phenomena. Scientists meticulously studied its effects on global weather patterns, sunsets, and seismic activity. Krakatoa became a crucial case study for modern volcanology, deepening our knowledge of Earth's dynamic processes. The Great San Francisco earthquake of 1906 and the subsequent fires devastated the city. It was one of the most significant earthquakes in American history, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. The event highlighted the vulnerability of urban infrastructure to seismic activity. In its aftermath, the disaster spurred critical advancements in earthquake-resistant building codes and urban planning. Engineers and architects learned valuable lessons about structural integrity and fire prevention in seismic zones. This led to safer construction practices, fundamentally changing how cities in earthquake-prone regions are built. On June 30, 1908, a massive explosion occurred over the Podkamenia Tunguska River in Siberia, flattening an estimated 80 million trees over 2,150 square kilometers. This mysterious event, believed to be an airburst of a large meteoroid or comet, left no impact crater. Its remote location meant it was not extensively studied until decades later. The Tunguska event continues to fuel scientific debate about its exact cause and potential impact scenarios. It raised global awareness about the threat of asteroid and comet impacts, influencing planetary defense research. The event remains one of the most intriguing unsolved mysteries in natural history, prompting ongoing scientific inquiry. The Great Mississippi Flood of 1927 was one of the most devastating river floods in U.S. history. It inundated millions of acres across several states, displacing over 1 million people. The flood exposed deep-seated social and economic inequalities, particularly affecting African American communities in the South. This catastrophic event contributed significantly to the Great Migration, as hundreds of thousands of African Americans moved north in search of better opportunities and escape from racial discrimination. The federal government's response, or lack thereof for some communities, also fueled discontent. It indirectly contributed to the rise of the civil rights movement, highlighting systemic injustices and the need for equitable treatment. The Bola cyclone, which struck East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, in November 1970, was one of the deadliest tropical cyclones ever recorded. It caused an estimated 300,000 to 500,000 fatalities, primarily due to the storm surge that inundated low-lying areas. The scale of human loss was immense. The Pakistani government's perceived inadequate response to the disaster fueled widespread public outrage and political instability. This failure to provide timely relief exacerbated existing tensions between East and West Pakistan. The cyclone became a critical catalyst, contributing directly to the Bangladesh Liberation War in 1971 and the eventual independence of Bangladesh. On December 26, 2004, a massive undersea earthquake off the coast of Sumatra triggered a series of devastating tsunamis across the Indian Ocean. This catastrophic event impacted multiple countries, claiming over 230,000 lives in 14 nations. The sheer scale and speed of the disaster shocked the world. The Indian Ocean tsunami dramatically increased global awareness of tsunami warning systems and the critical need for international cooperation in disaster preparedness. It spurred significant investment in early warning infrastructure and public education campaigns in vulnerable coastal regions. The event fundamentally reshaped international disaster relief efforts and global humanitarian response strategies. These 10 events are powerful testaments to the raw, untamed power of nature. They remind us that humanity, despite its advancements, remains subject to forces beyond its complete control. Yet, these disasters are not merely destructive forces. They have consistently acted as catalysts for profound change, forcing humanity to adapt, innovate, and learn from the past. Each catastrophe, in its own way, has pushed societies to evolve, whether through scientific discovery, social reform, or technological advancement. They provide a deeper appreciation for the fragility of human civilization and the delicate balance of our existence. Ultimately, these historical events emphasize the critical importance of preparing for the future. By understanding the lessons embedded in these past disasters, we can better equip ourselves to face the challenges that lie ahead. They serve as enduring reminders of our resilience and our capacity for growth in the face of overwhelming adversity.